Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the OnePlus Nord N20 from Metro by T-Mobile. Alright, so I got this phone on Metro by T-Mobile for $20, and the requirement is you just have to get the first month of service. And that's it. You don't have to port the numbers in from a different carrier or anything like that. So I decided to jump on this deal, and let's go ahead and open up the box. Alright, here's the device. Nord N20 5G. Throw the box away here. All right, and let's see what's in the box. OnePlus Nord N20 5G. Here we go. All right, let's get this out of here. Brand new phone, nice box. It doesn't come with a generic Metro by T-Mobile box, so that's pretty cool. That actually comes with the original box. All right, let's get this thing popped open here. OnePlus Nord N20 5G. Now, like I said, all you have to do is basically go to the Metro by T-Mobile website, and you just go ahead and browse through the phones. And I chose this one just because I read the reviews on it, and I haven't had a OnePlus phone in a while, so I decided to jump on it. All right, so here we have a little, some little booklets, SIM ejection tool. Here's a device. All right. Oh, wow. Check this out. They actually put a power charger in here. Power cable. That's good. And this phone has a 33-watt fast charger, so that is awesome. All right, let's go ahead and put that to the side. Let's take this off here. OnePlus Nord N20 5G. All right, let's see. Let's get this thing started here. All right. Nice. Wow, this phone feels really, really nice. It's got like the matte texture in the back. All right. Very lightweight. Dual cameras. I believe one is a 64 megapixel, and I think the other one's like a 2 megapixel macro. Really, really nice. I kind of like the sides here. Wow, it feels pretty premium actually. All right, let's go ahead and see if there's any juice in here. All right, let me go ahead and set that up. Put all my information in, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I got the phone set up, and I put in my information in here. I put in my fingerprint, I put in the face, and then let's check it out. So, fingerprint on this phone is ultra quick. Check this out. 1, 2, 3. Works like a charm. The face detection on this phone is absolutely amazing. All right, so just basically just look at it and then just swipe up. So basically just look at it, swipe up, and that's it. Look at it, swipe up. Let's go swipe up. All right, that's 2 times. Thing is, I have the other camera in the way here, so it's kind of hard to do right now, but let's go ahead. One more time. Works like a charm. Face detection is great. The haptics so far that I've noticed aren't the greatest, but this phone has a beautiful display. It's an AMOLED display. Absolutely stunning. This display on this phone is absolutely stunning. The device actually is pretty quick. I mean, OnePlus is probably the king of making their phones super quick. Even though this has a 690 Snapdragon processor with a 5G modem, you're not going to notice like that this is not a higher processor. And a 690 is a decent processor, but it's not like an 8 series or like a 765, but still pretty solid. And it's got the OnePlus version of Android. So I believe they're using Color OS. It's kind of like it's like an Oppo branded, because OnePlus is branded by is an Oppo brand. So one thing about OnePlus is that the phones are actually pretty popular in the United States compared to Asia. So Asia, they don't really sell as many OnePlus as they do out here. And I think OnePlus right now is a top 3 or 4 as far as market share in the United States. And I think, most of the time, OnePlus is only available through carriers like T-Mobile or, Metro by T-Mobile. But you can actually get this one unlocked right now. You can go ahead and get it on Amazon. I think right now it's $229 brand new unlocked. Now this one I got on Metro by T-Mobile, through the website for $20. It's $19.99, and the only catch is you have to pay the first month of service, which is unheard of. Usually, to get a phone that's about within this price point, you would have to trade in or basically port in a number from a different carrier, let's say AT&T to T-Mobile, or like let's say Verizon, to get the discount for the phone. And right now, Metro is doing an absolutely amazing job trying to sell and get rid of all these phones, which is cool because there's actually a lot more devices out there right now on Metro by T-Mobile that you can choose from. So I decided to choose this one just because of display. Display is awesome. The texture in the back, it looks pretty cool. I do like the design. Let's see, it's got the power button is here on the side, and the volume rockers are on the other side. They're the opposite side of the power button. So it'll take some time to get used to, but this is actually pretty cool. You got the power button here, the volume rockers up and down here, so they're not all crunched up together. Like, let's say on my Pixel 6a, you got the power button and the volume rocker up and down here. So every time you want to press the volume up, you end up pressing the power button. So this is actually pretty cool. Now, I also ended up getting a case for it. Okay. You always have to protect your phone when it's new, guys. So let me go ahead and get this case here. I got this case on Amazon for, I think it was like $9.99. Let me go ahead and open it up. Take it out. Take a look at this case. All right, this case looks cool, man. Let's go ahead and take this thing out of the box, the bag here. Yeah, I like cases that have like a clear back, because it just kind of gives more character to the device itself. Where if you cover up your nice phone, why would you, with a case that covers up everything, then you can just get like a cheap little budget phone. So you want to show off the beauty of the back of the case. So this is the case. This one also has a screen protector that comes with it, which is so cool. So this is, and it's a hard screen protector. So this is really cool. I got the case on Amazon, and I'll put a link on the bottom for you guys if you want to buy this case. Let's go ahead and put the case on. Now the case has these little color buttons, color-coded buttons, which is cool. All right, let's see if this fits good or not. All right, so this is going to be snug. Definitely snug. All right, so that's a good thing that it's snug, but wow, this is really snug. I mean, this is like really, really snug. Okay, let's see here. I have to go through the bottom here. This is like going to war with the case, man. See this? I mean, when I read the reviews that this case was snug, man, they were not kidding here at all. Wow. I mean, this is really, there we go, finally. All right, so this is like one time off, one time on, one time off, right? All right, so there's a case. Take a look at that. I'm going to remove that later. But yeah, the case feels super, super good. Wow. Really, really nice. And now, other than that, man, I mean, I'm going to go ahead and, finish updating this. And after I'm done, I'll do a follow-up review. But so far, man, the first impressions are, if you get this for $20 right now, you're getting a deal. So I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget, subscribe down below. Until next time.